Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna walking through how to change country in Google Play Store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as we can see, I am in my Play Store, and now let's see the current location of my Play Store. So as we can see, my current location is now in Bangladesh. Now let's change this location. So first of all, you have to install an VPN from Play Store, and after installing an VPN you have to open your VPN. So I'm going to open, and now you have to connect your VPN. So basically we are going to change our Play Store location using VPN. So here we can see my VPN is connected now, and now if I open my Play Store again, and if I click on this profile icon, settings, general, account and device preferences, and here we can see my new location is United Kingdom. So this was the way we can change our country location in Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.